What's up YouTube? Biz Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video we'll be discussing what they don't tell you about Shopify print on demand, especially in 2018. Now before we go on, please be sure to subscribe to this channel because I upload every single day about different Shopify e-commerce print on demand videos. Now just comment down below about suggestions or what you think about this video. Now, what do they not tell you about Shopify print on demand? So I've been working in print on demand for about a year, just making sure everything's right. And there are many misconceptions that people have about print on demand and whatnot. Let me just make sure this thing is clean, kind of. I don't know if that made a difference, but yeah, what they don't tell you about Shopify print on demand. So I decided to do print on demand mainly because I was getting tired of the delivery times with dropshipping from AliExpress, and so that was a big factor. And so that's one of the things they don't really teach you all about print on demand, that even though shipping is better than drop shipping, it's still not as fast as your Amazon or your other big stores. And so I would say that shipping is faster than drop shipping. I'm just gonna put DS. Is faster than, but not that fast domestically. So usually with print on demand, you're averaging, honestly, between, this can be, I'll say 6 to 10 days. Right? And it usually falls somewhere in the middle, 7 or 8 days until you actually receive your item once you order. And so like waiting a week for an item now these days in America is different. People think that's really slow, but it's still much faster than drop shipping. And so this video is really talking about like some disadvantages of print on demand. Another thing about print on demand is it's hard. It's harder than you think to find a winning design. Not that it's hard, but it's harder than you think to find a winning design. Now, I came into it thinking that okay, I'm just going to work around the holidays. Okay, if Alabama won another college football championship, I'm just going to make a shirt with that and target these people and sell it. But it's not always that easy, that I'm beginning to notice, and that there's more into the marketing and making sure you have a good copy add to it, and sometimes it just doesn't work. And another thing about print on demand, like this is probably the major thing and the most surprising thing that I find, is that the margins are much lower. So this is a huge thing. So with margins with dropshipping, you can buy a bracelet for what? $2 to $3, right? And that's with e-packet shipping and everything. And you can sell that bracelet $15, $20 easily, right? And so you have way much margins with that, as opposed to print on demand. You're buying t-shirts that are $10, $12, right? And then on top of that, most major print on demand companies charge $5 for the shipping for each order, and then if you add another item, they add like $2 or $3 more to the order. And so let's say your shirt costs $15. you have to really gauge how much a customer is willing to pay just for a t-shirt. You can go as high as 25, but even with that, you're still only getting $10 of margins, and then you have to pay for advertisements. How much are you going to really convert on Facebook for a t-shirt that costs $25? Maybe 10, it can go up as high as $10, like, to convert, and now you're breaking even. So it's very tricky with print on demand because of the margins. The margins are way much lower than you think. I would say if you have margins of 10%, that's actually really good for print on demand. But if you have a winning product, your margins will be good because you can charge $25, put $5 shipping. Now you're making $30, $15 profit. And if you're paying like $5 left to convert that order, that can be good. You're making $10. That's a 30% margin, which is really good. And so, yeah, those are some of the three main things I want to talk to you all about what they don't tell you about print on demand. Like any business, right? Any business that you all work in is not going to be easy, right? And so you have to understand the advantages and disadvantages to each program. I hope you all enjoy this video. I will be making more tutorials on how to set up Facebook ads and how to use custom cat and Printful for your Shopify needs. Be sure to subscribe and comment down below. All right, thanks.